Good day, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I'll be teaching you about entrepreneurial mindsets. Yes, I said entrepreneurial mindsets. What do I mean by an entrepreneurial mindset? An entrepreneurial mindset is a conscious decision, having a conscious decision that you want to make things right. We can't do old things that we do the same way and expect a different result. We can't get a different result. So all we need is an entrepreneurial mindset. If you want to grow your business from a large scale, from a small scale to a large scale, what you need is an entrepreneurial mindset. You need a mindset that will show you how to get to your dream. So on this page, that is what I'll be doing basically, giving you lessons about how to become a successful entrepreneur. So I'll urge you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel because that's what we do here on this channel is to make a real difference. If you are convinced that you really want to be the change around you, the change that you want, you have to be the change that you want. I'll urge you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also you'll see a bell. You can ring the bell, the notification bell, so that whenever I drop my content, you'll be the first to have my content with you. Thank you and God bless.